and today I'm going to show you how to make a whipped Irish cream coffee. Yes, this drink requires a little bit more effort because I am using a hand beater today, but it is seriously worth it. This drink is divine. I promise you, try it and you'll never go back to drinking normal Baileys and milk ever again. I promise. So the first thing you'll need to do is boil your kettle. Then you will need to add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee to a mixing bowl. You then want to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just using white sugar. And then next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water. Just give that a bit of a stir to get the mixture going. Next we need ice. I haven't used too much ice, it's about half a cup. I'm then going to add my Irish cream. I'm using O'Mara's today, country cream. Oops. I'm going to fill that about halfway. I'm then going to add some milk. I then pile this mixture on top. And then I'm just going to garnish with a little bit of chocolate, drinking chocolate. And there we have it. This is a whipped Irish coffee. My mouth is watering in anticipation of having this drink. I do need to use a spoon to kind of start mixing it, because if I cheers now, I'm going to get a whole heap of whipped coffee over my face. So to drink this drink, you do just gently mix it through. But I'll have some of this stuff. Cheers. So good. This drink is so good. If you love Baileys, you love coffee, got to give this a try. You will never go back to normal Baileys and milk ever again. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Gucci, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!